Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shader and this is the Acoosta Uno review and unboxing video, so let's get into it. So this is the Acoosta Uno, a premium portable Bluetooth speaker with more than 14,000 plus built-in songs, and it can do much more things like that. But before we dive into that, we should take a look at what we get inside the box when you're buying one up. So this is the retail packaging of the Acoosta Uno. This is the black color that I have right here, and there is also a gray color available, so you can check that out from links down below in the description. But now here on the front of the box we can see an image of the Acoosta Uno itself. Here it says Acoosta, music by Sony DADC, iconic music, ultimate sound, and below that we can see some more features about this speaker. 2000 watt PMPO output, built-in 14,000 plus songs, karaoke enabled, no internet connection, and rechargeable battery. Now moving forward to the other side of the box, we can see some more features about the speaker: FM radio, Bluetooth, USB input, aux input, and remote control. They are putting a lot of features in the speaker. Personally for me, it feels so great when a company like this includes so much features in their products. But anyways, when we move to the back of the box, we can see album arts of some preloaded songs, and here it says built-in music, which is preloaded songs, 14,000 plus songs, 200 plus playlists, thousands of artists, 50 plus genres and instrumentals. Now that's what it all says at the back of the box, and when we get to the other side of the box we can see some more information. Here we can see the model name, which is Acoosta Uno, and below that we can see the contents of the box, which is one music player, one remote control, one AC adapter, charging cable, aux cable, FM antenna, and user manual. So that was all the readings on the box. Now let's just don't waste any time and unbox this thing. But first let me grab my knife. I don't think I'll need that today. My iron fist is enough for this. Yeah! Haha, see? I told you. Guys, leave a like for the transition, and here is the Acoosta Uno portable speaker itself. First impression is that it feels very premium and high quality, but we have a whole video to admire this, so for now let's put this aside for a moment and see what else we get in the box. So here's the antenna cable and the aux cable, one remote control to control the music player, a pretty long micro USB cable, a wall adapter to charge the Acoosta Uno, and last but not the least, user manual. Now hold on guys, there is one more bonus unboxing still left in this video, but first let me clean this mess for you. So here's the Acoosta karaoke mic, and for a limited time, if you buy the Acoosta Uno, you will get this mic for free with the Acoosta Uno speaker itself. The box is pretty straightforward and I don't think we have to read anything on the box, so allow me to quickly unbox this mic for you guys. So inside the box we get the mic itself, which you can connect to the speaker, and we also get an XLR to 1/4 inch cable. So those were all the contents. One second please. So those were all the contents of the box. Now let's move to the review of the Acoosta Uno. So first of all, let's talk about the design of this Bluetooth speaker. For the design, I only have to say one word, that is premium. The front of the speaker have a very bold looking aluminum grille with glossy material complementing that. On the top we have a brushed metal finish, and on the other side we have a soft touch leather finish, and all these finishes combined together make this speaker a very premium feeling device. For controlling the Acoosta Uno, the buttons are placed at the top, which includes the standard power button, Bluetooth, play pause button, and a big jog wheel to control the volume. Now there is also a display on the front of the speaker to navigate between the built-in songs and other functions. Now speaking of navigation, you can also use the included remote control to navigate between the menus, change song, etc. straight from your couch. Now if we talk about the features on the speaker, then you will be really happy to know that this is packing a tons of features in it. The first and foremost is the pre-built songs. This device is packing more than 14,000 preloaded songs, and not like Carvaan speaker which only had few old songs, but this speaker is also packing the Bollywood songs and also the international hits with more than 50 plus genres. And not only that, you can also use your own USB drives to listen to your own songs. I don't know about other countries, but here in India people love to listen FM radio, so you guys will be happy to know that this speaker is also capable of playing FM radio. But there is only one drawback here. If you want to use the FM radio, you need to connect to the antenna cable, but I think you will get away with it. But anyways, it also have a aux input and a 1/4 inch microphone input for karaoke mic, which you can use to sing along to the built-in instrumentals or torture your lovely neighbors. And there are 2 mic inputs on this device, so you and your friends can sing along, and when you are done you can record this into a USB drive and share it with your friends. Now moving forward, this speaker also have a rechargeable battery, so this also makes this speaker a portable Bluetooth speaker. So you can charge the battery and take the speaker anywhere you want to. Although the form factor is not something that you can fit into your pocket, but if you're going into your car or something else, then you can consider taking it with you. Now if we talk about the battery life on the speaker, it takes roughly around 2.5 hours to charge full, and after it's done it gave me roughly around 5 to 6 hours of playtime, which is a great playtime considering the size and loudness of the speaker. So those were all the specs and features of the speaker, but now let's move to the build quality and durability of the speaker, and after that we will talk about the sound quality of the Acoosta Uno. So for the build quality, the speaker is made very rigid, and for the most of the part it feels very solid. For a speaker like this, you don't expect it to survive a drop test, but everything about this portable speaker feels very premium. But one thing I do want to add here is that when you pick up this thing up, it feels a little lighter than what you expect it to be. For a premium speaker like from Bose or other companies, it feels a little light, but do keep in mind that they are a lot pricier than this. And also this is a good point, and it's just a personal preference. Now let's talk about the sound quality of the speaker. The speaker is packing dual 4-inch driver and a 2000 watt PMPO output, so this thing can get pretty loud, and for most of the time you won't need to go beyond 20 out of 30 volume levels. Now for the frequency response, it produces a frequency response of 40 Hz to 20 kHz, which means it can reach almost human ears range. All the specs are great about the speaker, but one thing I don't like about the sound of the speaker is that for most of the songs they will sound awesome, but on some songs you will feel like they are lacking a little bit of low end, like really low end. So now let's move to the pricing of the speaker. The Acoosta Uno is available in Tri-City, that means Chandigarh, Mohali and Panchkula, and you can check out the links down below in the description to learn more. And for the pricing, the Acoosta Uno is priced at roughly around 12,000 rupees, and for a limited time if you buy the speaker you will get a free karaoke mic with it, and you know what to do with it. I know for some people it might be a little pricier, but when you look at the specs you are getting with it and considering the loudness of the speaker, it's worth the investment. And you can literally run a small house party with this, but you have your own choice. But that wraps up my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in the next one.